This 1976 Plymouth Duster is brought to you by HCSFortLauderdale. 1976 Plymouth Duster. The grille-mounted turn signal lenses were amber. Prior years had colorless lenses with amber bulbs. The interior rear-view mirror was mounted directly to the windshield rather than to the previous double pivot roof bracket, and the parking brake was now foot, rather than hand-operated. Disc brakes became standard equipment on cars built after January 1, 1976. Several special models were offered. The Feather Duster featured lightweight aluminum parts including the intake manifold, bumper brackets, hood and trunk bracing, and manual housing, for a weight savings of about 187 pounds, 84.8 kilograms, and a circ. 5% lighter than a standard Duster similarly equipped. It came with a 225/6 with its distributor and single-barrel carburetor calibrated for economy, a low-restriction exhaust system, an extra high rear axle ratio, and was offered with either the Torque Flight 3-speed automatic or A833 overdrive 4-speed manual transmission. It was the most fuel-efficient car in its size class. AC Visit